So, good evening to all the parents. This is for the parents in group 301 at Personnage School. So, welcome. So, this is basically what I told earlier today in French. So this is our parent-teacher meeting. So my name is Valerie. I've been teaching for 14 years now. I've been working at Personnage for 13 years, so almost my whole career. I used to teach swimming lessons before starting my bachelor's in education. I am a hockey player. I'm also a mom of three adorable children, and my oldest is beginning third grade also this year. So this is our classroom. All right. So we are located on Gilmore side. So it's very, very quiet, perfect with nice sun that comes in. So basically, this year we are an école SCP. So we promote positive attitudes with the children. We prone on respect, security, and engagement in their schoolwork. They will, at some point during the day, the week, the month, earn bracelets that will allow them to get some little gifts or little activities within the school, so they may come home very excited for you to see all this. If ever there is a problem with le code de vie, if your kid does something that he was not supposed to do. If it's major, of course, you will be aware of this. I will either call you or send you an email. Emails are a lot easier for me than the phone. When I'm not with your children, I am with my own children. So the phone is actually very hard. Emails, I'll check them during recess, I'll check them during lunch, I'll check them even when I get home from work, before I go to bed. So if ever you have something that you would like to discuss with me, emails is for sure the way to go. As for COVID, this year it's a little smoother. The rules for COVID. What is different, although, is that we want the kids to wear the mask inside the classroom. This is to prevent the class from closing, from shutting down like last year. Last year, if we had one case of COVID positive, we would shut down the whole class. This year, different, since the kids are all wearing masks inside the classroom. If a student comes back with a positive COVID test, he will be sent back home for 2 weeks on Zoom, but the rest of the students will remain in class with me. So it's very important to put accent on this, encourage your kids to wear them. It is more difficult some days, but we work really hard, and they could take them off when they're outside for recess. This is the books that we use in school. So on your left, you have all the major books. On your right, you see Cahiers Canada and the Duotang. So this is all material that you may see at home. Those on the right, those on the left, they will come home once in a while for studying, but they will remain mostly in the classroom. Okay, so for the homework, I give the students about a 15 to 20 minute homework period in class. So they get to start their homework with me, ask questions if they need. Most of them will have time to finish in class. If it happens that they're not completely done, they'll have to finish it at home. What's really important for you, it's the study period. Okay, so the study period is about 20 to 30 minutes a day, and it's separated. 15 minutes should be reading, 10 minutes should be towards the vocabulary words for the dictée on Friday, and after that, the grammar and the math, you should spend about 5 to 10 minutes. Obviously, this is relatable to every kid. Some go faster, some go slower, so listen to them. They'll tell you if they need more help or not, and you will very quickly see by their tests and their dictée if they need to work a little harder or if your strategies at home work. If ever you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I will help you out. No problem. And if ever you're having trouble with your child, he or she doesn't want to study at home, you can also send me an email and we could have a very good conversation with them, make them understand that they need to do the work. As of October, so they will start a reading project. Okay, so they'll have books that I will lend them and they'll have to bring them back. As of November, there's going to be some math solving problems that they'll need to do at home. They may need your help for that because it will be a little challenging. Dictée needs to be corrected every Monday, and you have to sign every Monday, and it has to be returned for the next day. Also, all the exams that they do in the class with me, you will see at home and you will have to sign them also. Okay, so there's nothing hidden. You will be aware of everything that goes on. Chromebooks. We're lucky enough to have a lot of Chromebooks in the school. I will be working with the Chromebooks, various subjects. You will see them at home, maybe work on E plus élève and Net Math. Both of them are working for grammar and math. So if they tell you I would like to go do some Net Math, please let them do because they're learning while having a lot of fun. Every day they will come home with their agenda and their binder. Make sure that they come back in the morning with the agenda and the binder, and everything that goes home needs to come back the following day. It's very important. Make sure that they have a healthy snack and a water bottle. They could fill it up in the classroom. We have a water fountain. For those who bought school supplies via the school, it would be important to get them two pencil cases because we gave them all the pencils, the erasers, but unfortunately we did not buy any pencil cases. So if you're able to get one either at Dollarama or Bureau en Gros, that would be very helpful because for now everything is lying in the bottom of their desk. Even a Ziploc, if they're not very fussy, could work also. We are starting sniffle season, so please give them a box of paper tissues. I do have, but they're not the best quality, and they're a little sore on the nose. So if ever you could get some from home, that would be great. And most of the students have, but not to forget, a second pair of shoes. There's one pair that goes outside, one pair that stays in the classroom, so that we leave our classroom nice and neat. We don't drag any dirt or grass. So here's my email. Best way to communicate with me is via email. I hope this was helpful for all you English parents and also for the parents that maybe I talked a little too quick earlier this evening. So I wish you a very good night. Don't be shy. I am available. I will answer within max 24 hours. And hopefully everything will work out and we'll see each other in November. Thank you.